ahead and replace the driver's side outside taillight. To get access to the hardware, you want to go around to the inside of the trunk, and there's going to be a trim panel on the inside we want to go ahead and open up. Here's a little trim panel. We're going to use a trim panel tool. Just pop this open. Fold that down, pull it off. Right here exposes a plastic wing nut. I go ahead and grab that and spin that off. Turn it counterclockwise. Unscrew this all the way and we'll remove it. Now on the outside, you're going to just go ahead and gently bump the tail light. Loosen that. Pull that out of the body like so. On the back side, there's going to be a connector right here. Now you want to go ahead and disconnect this connector from the taillight assembly. We're going to use a trim tool and press down on the back side or top of that tab. I'm going to pinch on the other side. We're basically squeezing. Go ahead and wiggle that connector off like so. Take your connector, line it up, press it in, and you hear an audible click. Next, you want to make sure that this lower tab right down below lines up with the notch in the body. Push it straight back and in. Go ahead and take your mounting stud right here, line that up, and we're basically just going to thread that back into the taillight. All right, once that's good and snug, go ahead and take your trim panel. It might take a couple tries to get that lined up because it is oriented a specific way. Line it up, squeeze the tabs in, pop that into place.